Okay, on an ML from, I think, 2002 and newer, you can also check your oil level from inside the car, and I'll show you how to do that now. So stick the key in. Your car has to be off and not running for at least 5 minutes. Parked on level ground, turn key to position 0 or 2, and wait for the little odometer display to show a bunch of little lines. Okay, now once it's done that, you press this button here twice, really quick, 1, 2, and oil level 0.0. So that means no oil needs to be added. It will show 1 liter, blah, 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 if 1.5 liters if you need oil. It will also show high if your oil level is too high. That means suck some out and do not drive. Oil level high is bad. So anyway, that's just another way you can check your oil without getting out and getting dirty. So our oil change is complete on the ML. Thanks for watching.